Say goodbye to the white screen of death on your iPhone and iPad. Force restart your iPhone or iPad. iPhone or iPad with a home button. Press and hold the home button. Press and hold the top button while holding the home button. Keep holding the buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Then you can let go. iPhone or iPad without a home button. Press the volume up button and release it quickly. Then, press the volume down button and release it quickly. Press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo show up on the screen. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Properly charge your iPhone or iPad. Take your device and connect it to a power source using the charging cable. Leave your iPad connected and let it charge for at least an hour. After an hour, you can turn your iPad on again. Check for hardware damage. Examine your iPad or iPhone. Pay close attention to the screen and body. If you see any cracks on the screen, it's a sign that it might need repair. If the screen is cracked or there are other visible damages, consider taking your iPhone or iPad to a professional repair service. Update iOS using iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPad or iPhone to a computer with iTunes or a Mac using a USB cable. Open iTunes or Finder. In iTunes, look for the iPhone or iPad icon in the upper left corner of the window and click on it. In Finder, click on your device name in the sidebar. Click Check for Update in the summary panel. If an update is available, click Update Now. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. Restore your device from backup. Connect your iPad or iPhone to a computer using a USB cable. If you're using a Mac, open Finder. If you're on a PC, open iTunes. In Finder or iTunes, find and select your device. Click Restore Backup and choose your most recent backup. Follow the process. Restore your iPhone or iPad using recovery mode. Before you start, make sure your iPad or iPhone is turned off. Use the cable that came with your device to connect it to your Mac or another computer. Open Finder for Macs running macOS Catalina or newer. For Macs running macOS Mojave or earlier and other computers, you'll need to have iTunes opened. iPhone or iPad with a home button, press and hold both the home and the top, or side, buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them even after the Apple logo appears. Release all buttons when you see the recovery mode screen. iPhone or iPad without a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the top button until your device begins to restart. Hold the top button until your device enters recovery mode. Once your device is in recovery mode, iTunes or Finder on your computer will show an alert with options to restore or update your iPad. Choose Restore and follow the instructions. Restore your iPhone or iPad using DFU mode. Use the lightning cable to connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer. Open iTunes if you're using a PC or Mac with macOS Mojave 10.14 or earlier. If you're using a Mac with macOS Catalina 10.15 or newer, open Finder. iPhone or iPad with a home button. Press and hold both the power button and the home button at the same time. Continue holding both buttons even after the screen goes black. Hold for 3 more seconds. Let go of the power button but keep holding the home button. Keep holding the home button until your iPhone or iPad shows up in iTunes or Finder. Click on Restore iPhone or iPad to begin restoring your device. iPhone or iPad without a home button. Hold down the power button. After 3 seconds, press and hold the volume down button while still holding the power button. Continue to hold both buttons for 10 seconds, then release just the power button. Keep holding the volume down button for another 5 seconds. Release the volume down button once your iPhone or iPad appears in iTunes or Finder and click on Restore iPhone or iPad. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.